Okay.
Not sure if you know who I am, but I'm about to rule the world.
Wow, yay!
But there's one problem. There's a human, has a mustache just like you.
You think I know every human being with a mustache wearing an identical outfit with a hat with the letter of his first name on it? Because I don't.
Bowser is coming. Together, we are going to stop that monster.
How? Look at us. We're adorable.
Oh, I got this. No problem.
Yes!
Come on, Mario! Our big adventure begins now!
Get it off, get it off, get it off!
There's a huge universe out there.
Whoa.
With a lot of galaxies. They're all counting on us. No pressure.
Yo, you're in for a treat, so hang on to your seat. You're ready for adventure and remarkable feats. You'll meet Koopas, the Troopers, the Princess and the others. Hanging with the plumbers, you'll get hooked on the brothers to the bridge.